Ford dealers that invest in Bronco Showroom upgrades can get more allocations, and that's an exclusive. Now, Ford dealers will find out exactly what sort of 2021 Ford Bronco allocations they will receive soon. And as red hot as the Ford Bronco is, that number is going to be a big deal. Dealers will want to get their hands on as many of these vehicles as possible. And now it appears that there will be a way to increase allocations by investing in Bronco Showroom upgrades. Our standalone dealership dedicated facilities, according to a document by Ford Authority. Now, the document states that Ford has established a Bronco branded facility program that includes options for either a dedicated Bronco showroom display or an entire standalone Bronco only facility. The program is completely optional for Ford dealers and is not required to sell or service the Bronco. However, dealers that do opt to invest in the program will be eligible to receive additional locations based on how much they spend. So now dealer Bronco elements, if they spend $0 to $12,499, they don't get no allocations. But if they spend anywhere from $12,500 to $25,000, they'll get one allocation. Then it goes up accordingly all the way up to $75,000, where they get 6 allocations. Incremental dealer allocations, that is. Now, dealers investing less than $12,500 will receive 0 extra allocations, while spending between $12,500 to $24,999 will net 1 extra allocation. Now, from there, allocations increase by 1 for every spending level, 2 for $25,000 to $37,499, 3 for $37,500 to $49,999, and 4 for $50,000 to $62,499. Ford is doing something awesome, and they really, I guess they're inspiring the dealerships. And I'm sure they're going to have, special programs for dealers that get great, that do great service and get high recommendations or high reviews from a customer service or service standpoint as well. And there's a maximum of 6 allocations, extra allocations, that is. And if a dealer invested $75,000. There are quite a few caveats to the program, and those interested must be approved by Ford and meet a host of criteria. The Bronco-specific facilities are subject to Blue Oval guidelines and state franchise laws, and dealers who have unfulfilled commitments or substandard facilities will not be approved for the program. Ford must also approve, the location of Bronco-specific facilities, which will only be allowed to sell new and used Bronco products. This is Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And you know what? We got a little bit more. Now, Ford says that the additional Bronco allocations granted through the facility program will be spread over 2021 to 2022 model year and will be based on a variety of factors, including demand and production timing. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for listening. And thanks for subscribing.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.